A video microlecture is usually under 5 minutes and focused on one specific concept or skill, making the content easy to find within the structure of a larger course. Famous examples include simple screen recordings like those of Khan Academy, short animated pieces like those of TED Ed, and the punchy mini lectures of Crash Course. You can also look for inspiration from the mini tutorials available on YouTube. Rockstar edutubers like Mark Rober and even travel tubers can offer something to aspire to if you're an anthropologist like me. I've been doing short form videos professionally for about 13 years. I started with some educational screen captures. I then started inviting my students in to collaborate to make some short cultural commentaries. Later, I learned how to animate so I could tell some short stories. And most recently, I've started taking my camera out into the world to share my ethnographic field experiences with my students. I think video is a huge piece of our future as professors. It is the new PowerPoint, and I want to do whatever I can to help other faculty master this, not just because it will improve their classes, but because ultimately, I think it will unleash a tremendous wave of outstanding educational content into the world.